Good evening everyone, and especially for my lecturer. Good evening Mr. Dery Mariadi, STMT. How are you today? My name is Muhammad Yusrizal Andriansyah. You can call me Rizal. And I'm the third semester of industrial engineering of Tridinanti, University of Palembang. Besides that, I'm working at PT Sugara. So that is fertilizer distribution company at Palembang, and I had worked many in industrial company, especially logistic and supply chain. Because from my previous experience, I chose industrial engineering. So many people might ask to me, why did I choose Tridinanti as my campus? Well, I think that is interesting question, and I have the reason why I choose Tridinanti as my campus, especially industrial engineering for my majoring. That is one, the accreditation is big. I think it means good for one step easier in make easier to find a better job. Second, the tuition fee is affordable. I think Tridinanti is one of the most affordable one with good quality. And the last, the schedule is flexible. For example, we are busy on working, so we can switch our schedule on another day to the campus schedule. So that is my reason why I choose industrial engineering of Tridinanti campus Palembang. Now I will present my 4-point assignment with a title Enhance Quality Improvement to Learn Six Sigma in Division Sideboard Clavinova Pianos. The first slide, abstract. A lean production system is one of the main factors that every company must have to improve quality, especially reducing waste that occurs in the production line. The musical instrument industry, such as piano manufacturing, includes industries that reduce waste by improving the manufacturing system. The company strategies to eliminate this waste is to create an effective and efficient work system. Also, list here the keyword as quality improvement, lean production, image, value stream mapping. Next, introduction. Introduction is the best way to win the competition in the global market is to improve production quality by minimizing waste. The productivity and quality improvement must be proportional to the increase to product value to customer by increasing in the quality of production process. The musical instrument industry is one of the electronic manufacturing industries that produce the upright pianos and Clavinova pianos. Companies are being developed various improvement strategies to increase productivity and quality. The production process of the Clavinova piano is divided into several sub processes, of which is the sideboard manufacturing process. In the production process, there have been still occur some problems that need to be fixed as on preliminary observed. There were found waste. And also, here the list keyword of such ineffective process, improper layout, overproduction, and pure production quality. So the next slide, research objectives. Research objective: the piano production process still has several problems, so as the presence way of waste is an obstacle in improving the quality of production by reducing the waste that occurs. For this reason, this research focus on improving the quality of production by reducing waste that occurs, finding cause of the problem and taking corrective action. The study aims to help companies to eliminate waste on the production floor and propose corrective action to improve the production quality of the sideboard division. Research method: the Lean Six Sigma interrogation method. The stage that design improvement use the systematic step defined: measure, analyze, improve, control, or damage. The defined phase begins by mapping the production process, defining waste, and determining the critical to quality or CTQ. Damage methods. And the keyword states that the Lean Sigma and damage methods was able to reduce the level of defects in the soundboard and the side piano production process. We have found that the lean manufacturing method and can reduce waste in the upright piano sanding process, but studies focus on the upright piano. So we can see damage. They define the problem and the objectives, and on measure, what do we need to improve? Can we measure this? A. Analyze the process, define factors in influence, and improve. Identify and implement improvements. C. Ensure the improvement will sustain. The next slide. So I can show the production stream mapping or PSM or supports from supports supplier, input, process, output, customer, and process have the two main cutting process panel saw, go to drilling process handball, and staining and mandatory manual. The next slide is the result. The result is have three main of our production, transportation, and defect. From this journal, I got three most probably with year the waste in for production, transportation, defect. Overproduction occurs because the number of products produced is more than the quantity ordered by the customer. Overproduction is a type of waste that can support the occurrence of other waste. Transportation is included in not value-added activities. The specification set by the company. The fact that occur in the sideboard process are high enough so that customer certification related to quality will be reduced. So it is necessary to improve the process so that the resulting product is close to zero defect. The type of defect in this research are scratch, not flat, exfoliate, bubble, gloss, and other. So this is a problem stream from PPIC, and problem was that transportation. And the next slide, this is fishbone. There are overproduction, transportation, and defect. That there are three of the waste. So, and this is discussion. The result of improvement of each waste using 5W plus 1H are: number 1, overproduction. Improvement to overproduction, namely providing apparatus with daily production card and posting that to general information board. Add target control LED to the production line with the importance of avoiding overproduction. Make short-term production forecast. Number 2, transportation. Transportation improvement is to do cleansing, relay out in the material storage area. Change the make to stock method to make to order. Eliminate material movement from supplier to WIP area. The effect obtained reduces the sideboard of production cycle time by 161 seconds. Number 3, defect. Improvement of defect scratch, namely doing weekly validation on jigs and trolley, forming the total productive maintenance or TPM team and doing TPM weekly. Change the method of material storage by providing flat barriers between materials. So the table of matrix of 5W plus 1H analysis: waste, overproduction, transportation, defect scratch, cost, there is lack on production control, remote location, fat alternative, material storage method, mixed phase, clean students. So this is 5W plus 5W and 1H for analysis the journal. And the last conclusion. The conclusion, the main problem that occurs in the sideboard production line is the low quality of the production process, which causes waste on the production floor. The low quality on the production process has a loss impact on the company. To overcome this problem, several corrective actions must be taken, including: 1. Improve overproduction by giving operators with daily production cards or Kanban, installing LED control on production line and forecasting short-term production. The effect is that overproduction has decreased by 41%. Number 2, improve phasing relay out on the site forecasting short-term production. The effect is that overproduction has decreased by 41%. Number 2, improve phasing relay out on the sideboard production line can reduce the overall cycle time by 161 seconds. Number 3, perform TPM on jigs and trolley. The effect is the quality of the product has increased the average sigma level from 3.56 to 3.79. And sigma failure comparison before and after improvement with Lean Six Sigma. Use Lean Six Sigma at this journal. So this is my presentation of my PowerPoint. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.